To customize lock screen widgets in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the display and touch options. Go to the lock screen right here and select widgets on lock screen. Make sure that they are active and then lock your device. Wake it up, then perform a swipe from the right side of the screen to the left, like this, and that way you'll be able to access your widgets on lock screen. To customize them, we'll need to click and hold our finger in the empty space, unlock our device, and then we can either remove widgets by dragging them into remove area right here and holding it, or we can add widgets. For example, let's add the widget with search on YouTube, and then we can add it to our lock screen. So from here we can also click and hold on some of them, like this one, and then it should allow you to adjust the size for it, but this depends on the widget. Some of them won't have that options. When you're ready, click on done, and that way you'll get that custom widget on your lock screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.